morning. Job of the day. Sun's out as well. She's pretty warm. Customer's complaint. The brakes are noisy and making a weird and wonderful noise, and they don't stop very well. So I've picked the car up, and obviously I took it back nice and easy, and I've just done these. And this is the front one. As you can see, you have a look. No, that one there is starting to come away. As you can see, the rust in there, she's ready to let go. Not bad that side though, is it? This one here, this one's definitely beginning to let go. You have a look at it, she's about to let there. I'm in the rust. I mean, Christ, that's about to snap, I would have thought. Oh, it's not bad that side though, is it? We could have left that. And then this is the back ones. No, they're not too bad. A bit low, aren't they? Look at the state of that. Look at the state. No, they're not bad that side. I suppose ground that corner off would have been fine. Anyway, last but not least, and this is the other side. Something's getting hot. Definitely getting hot. They coming away. There was another set that was coming away from the actual pad, but that's not bad either, is it? Just so I've definitely done a public service today and actually made this vehicle safe for everyone, not just the driver. Anyway, everyone have a nice day. That's the job of the day. Now on to the next one. I'm starting to enjoy this. Be good, everyone. Stay safe.